Well, good morning everyone. Nice sunny day here in Adelaide, although I'm in the shade at the minute. What I just thought I'd do for you this morning is we're taking a trip down to the scrapyard, and I'll just show you what we'll take down, just so you get an idea of what prices are like here in Adelaide. But anyway, just in here we have some aluminium. It's all aluminium in there, mainly just extruded. Next box here we have a whole big box of electrical cable, copper, you know, mainly extension leads and power cords and things like that. And in front of that we have another one, not a very large box, but there's still quite a bit of wire in there. Next one over here we have milk crates. There's two big milk crates full of Cat 5, and over here we have two big tubs, big plastic tubs full of Cat 5 cable. There is just oodles and oodles in these tubs, and they are really heavy. Those tubs, you know, they're quite large. Actually, I'll just put my foot there so you get a bit of an idea how big it is. You know, it's quite a big tub. They're quite large, those tubs full. A little bit of extruded aluminium there as well. Big poles. In the back we have just two bags of bottles and cans. You know, in South Australia we get 10 cents for each one of those. That's not bad. All the consumer pays for them though in the end, really. Oh, right over here we have a little tub full of brass. It's all taps, old padlocks, fittings, tap fittings, brass joiners, all brass. Small tub of copper, you know, copper tubing mainly, and just a tiny little tub of copper wire. All right, so that's our little load for today. Just run that down to the scrapyard now, and I'll give you an update. I'll give you a look at the price that we got, and talk to you then. Well, here we are, we're back again. Just got back, and for those that are interested, here is the prices we've got from our recyclist. And you can see there that brass is at $4.50 kilo. Not too bad, pretty good. We had $19.35 there. Extruded aluminium extrusion, we had 21.9 kilos at $1.44 a kilo. That's $31. And you know, there was other things in there like the milk bottles, the cans, the aluminium cans. And the other one we're interested in is, where is it? Oh, there it is there. Our Cat 5, it's down here. Cat 5, 44.6 kilos at $2.08 a kilo. It gave a total of $92.76. And our grand total, there it is there, grand total $160.42. And have a look at that. Our government's got to get their little bit, isn't it? $14.58. All right there. So I hope that was a bit informative for the people around Australia to see what our scrap prices are. All right, thanks for watching.